Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yep.
Sorry, I'm 10
Hello.
minutes late. Actually, I'd gone to the doctor, so I came only at 4 o'clock, so I had to set up the book, laptop, and everything.
Okay, I understand. Hope you're fine.
Yes.
Okay. Are you ready now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then let's start. We had
We are looking at
completed. Yes.
14D activity.
Which activity?
14D.
Yes. We have to go with the 14D activity. Correct.
Yes.
Okay. Can you just screen share?
Can you allow me to screen share?
Oh, yes. I did now. Okay. So what do we have to open? We have to open a file with the name list.rtf. Where have you saved it?
Chapter 14.
Good. Yeah, that's what we need to open. Fine. And place your name on the right in the header and in a 14-point serif font. So let's do that first. What we have to do is place Ishika Sharma on the right in the header. Can you do that?
Yeah.
To the right.
So is there, this one can be the right one, right? No, it has
We
the,
can just choose the column one. We can simply choose the column one, or we can just do click on tab and go to the right part.
okay.
Choose the blank one, which is already open by default. You can just click the tab. Yes. Now you can type in here.
Uh,
It should be a 14-point serif font. Okay. What do you understand by serif? What is it actually?
the ones with stroke Times New Roman.
Yes.
Yes.
It's serif, not sans serif. Understand that thing.
Sans serif is Arial, but serif is Times New Roman only.
Um, hmm. Hmm. Okay. Fine. And it's 14. Yes, the height is 14. That's fine. Now, place the file name in the center of the footer. What is the file name?
Topic
We
covered
learned,
subject.
no. We learned how we can enter the document info. But in our case, with regards to the version of the Microsoft, we had to type it, right? Or we had to copy paste it. So what are we going to name this file as? Task 14D. But in here, the name of the file is list.rtf. You will have to type it there. Go to the footer and add something in the center, the name of the file. Did you understand?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
The middle, right?
Yes. So maybe you can select the three column one and do tab once.
And I can select the blank and do tab.
Yes, you can do that. Absolutely.
I'll go to file, right?
Yeah, we had the information. No. In here, what we used to do was to find the location of the file. Last time we had to enter the location of the file. In here, we have to enter the name of the file. Okay, you understand that difference. So we don't need the location this time, where it is stored actually. We know the name of this. What is the name of it? List.rtf, right? So you just type in there list.rtf. In actual case, in insert, there should have been an option of document name through which we would have entered it, but since it's not there in this version, it's okay, we can just type it. And L should be small because it is saved as that way only. L should be small. Yes, this is fine. What is the next task? Um, Change the 11 items listed into a bulleted list. What 11 items? Create new styles for headers, footers, body text, headings. These are 11, right?
No,
These
there
are
are 12. One second. Yeah, no, 11.
right. So there are 11, including create new styles. Huh? Including create new styles, there should be 11. Now we have to, you can just close the header and the footer, okay? Just close the header and the footer. Good. Great. Now we need to add bullet points to the list or to the given content. How do we do that? We select the entire data where we need to add the bullet. Yes, very good. Now what do? We go to home where we already are, right? And we need to add bullets. I'll show you from where. Can you see this? Yes. Don't add directly. You can go to the drop down, yes, and select which one you want. Yes, that's a good selection. You can click on it and it will change. Yes. So we have selected this. Okay.
Yes.
Now, what next are they talking about? Use a bullet of your choice. That's what we did. Make sure that this bulleted list is indented by at least 3 centimeter. Now, how do we do that? We need to indent. Indent means some way we design it, we arrange it. Indentation is actually arranging with respect to other data. Okay.
No, no, I
Now,
didn't understood. Like we have to make the bullet point 3 centimeter.
yes, I'll tell you. Can you just select all this data? Yes. Now, can you see this ruler? The ruler tab. Can you see this one?
Um,
Yes. Can you drag it to the right? You can. Yes. Go. Yes. It should be. No, no, no. Yeah. Don't do that much. No. Drag it such that it should be more than 3 centimeter. It should be at least 3 centimeter. Understood? That's what they are talking about.
this is wait.
Yeah, this is appropriate. This is appropriate. They have mentioned 3, right? They have mentioned in there 3. This is 2. Okay.
It's
So
more
at
than
least,
3.
no, it has started from here. The document has started from here. So this is your 0. This is your 1. This is 2. And this is 3. So it should be at least 3. So the distance can be 3 or more than 3. So it is appropriate in here. Alright. You can in fact reduce this and it will be fine both ways because it should be at least 3. Understood?
Yeah.
So indentation is what? Settling or designing something with respect to other things. Okay.
Yes.
So this is what we did. This was what? Indentation by at least 3 centimeter. Okay. Now we have to set items 2 to item 6. Where is the 6? This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till here. Yes, these items. Inclusive as a sub list. We need to make it as a sub list with a different bullet of our choice indented by at least 4 centimeters. How do we do that? We select them. Very good. How do we shift them, right? There should have been an option in here. No, 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 not like that, not like that, not like that. Do, undo, undo. You have to make a sub list of this. What you have to make? A sub list. Okay? A sub list.
Different bullet points, no?
No, no, no. If you change the bullet points, what happens, you know? You'll change the bullet point of the entire thing.
No.
Yes.
See.
No, no, no. But this has not become a sub list. This is not a sub list. What does a sub list mean? I'll tell you, okay? You have selected these. Now click tab. Click tab. Tab, tab, tab. Tab on your keyboard. You select and then click tab. Very good. Now you have made it a sub list. To shift it to the left, what do? You click shift tab. Don't shift that much, na dear. So much. Why so much? No.
That from here it would be till 4 centimeter, they told, no?
No. They by 4 centimeter they meant from your zero. Where is our zero? This is where our ruler starts. So it should
Once.
be more than this 4. So click on shift tab. Okay, don't shift that much. Okay. Yeah. Again undo, undo, undo. Yes. So this is fine. You can click on tab to shift more if you want. But this is now become a sub list. Now what do? If you want to change the bullet of this, you have already selected it. Go in here and change. Yes, maybe you can go with this tick or go with this arrow, whatever you wish. It's fine. Okay, this is great. So this is what we had to do. And the indentation is at least 4 centimeters. Okay. The line is not straight, but I hope you understood, right?
Yeah.
Mhm. So we have to save this file as task 14D. And quickly tell me, what did we learn here?
How to
You for save as, it's okay. For you for save as and then tell me. It's alright.
Yes, so we learned in this exercise how to put uh, the sans serif and serif font in the header, and how to use bullet points, and how to make a sublist.
Great. So mainly what did you learn? The bullet points and how to make a sublist, how to get it indented, okay? And how to add bullets, different kinds of bullets that you can. There are other ways of adding bullets also. I'll teach you in the next task. Let's go with the next task now. 14 E. Okay. What we have to do is open the file saved in task 14D, which is already open for us. Change the first level bullet list into a numbered list. Okay, into a numbered list using Arabic numerals, and second level list into a lettered list using A. Now how do we do that? First, we select what? We select the first list. What is the first list for us?
Till subheading.
First level list, okay? This is the first level list. This is the first level list. These are the second level list.
So the subheading will also come under first level, right?
Subheading, no. Our list starts from here. Bullets specify list. Okay. This is the starting of our list. This is the ending of our list. Okay. This is our list, second level list. This is our first level list. If we would have added another sub list to this one, then that would have made a third level list. And again, fourth level list. You can make multi-level lists as per your need. You want to try that? Make a multi-level list?
What?
Do you want to try multi-level making list?
What's multi-level?
That's what I was teaching right now. Now, wherever you're focused
I was
here.
reading.
Okay, fine. What I'm trying to say, just don't focus on the task. You need to learn new things, right? That's what your motive should be. And now, what I'm trying to say is, your list starts from here. Your list ends here. Bullet specifies list. Okay. So your list starting from here, the first level list is these lists with these bullets, and the second level list starts from here. These points come under second level list, and this is first level list. If we would have made a sub list to this list, then it would have become a third level list. Okay.
Just a second, ma'am. Just a second, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. You can take your time. Just you should be focused here.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry. You're on mute.
Okay, it's okay. Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Absolutely na?
Yes.
Any Hazel? Okay.
Because that I didn't understand that you told that. Uh, 1 second.
Okay, I'll tell you what is multi-level listing. What is level?
But
When the
you told that the sub list that we made comes under the second level.
Now do one this
But
thing.
how is that possible? Like this, if this is the first level and
Hmm.
it comes under this, then it should be under this. Why is it under this?
No, it's not under this. These lists are under these only, under the first one only. The create new styles for is the heading for these ones, right? We cannot change that. It is absolutely true. What I'm trying to say is this list and this data comes under first level. We have created levels of list in here. Levels.
Okay.
I'm talking about levels. So this is first level. These all things comes under first level. This comes under second level. And you can just go to body text here, select it, body text, select body text, this,
Fine.
yes, and click tab. Yes, now you have created a third level list, three levels of list. This comes under third level. Okay. Now if you go to headings, shift heading once, click tab on headings. Yes, click tab again, again. Now you have created a fourth level of list. What have you created a fourth
Not
level of?
fourth level. These are levels, right?
No, level is this. What ruler defines. Something that ruler defines. Your first level starts from here.
Once again.
Hmm.
So then this is the first level.
Yeah, this comes under first level. I'll tell you, wait. This one?
And then this header and footer, they are under the first level and they are called
Hmm.
level 1.
No, no, no. This comes under, see what we have created is a level. Take it as stairs, okay? Take it as stairs, okay? in order to reach this position, this is first level position. Okay, this is first level position. In order to reach, we can take this point, or any of these points to reach here. Okay, in order to reach here, we will require, after climbing this, we have climbed what? First level. We have climbed what? First level. After climbing this, we'll have to climb headers and footers, headers or footers to reach this level. You understand? Now, I want to reach in here. Hello?
I didn't understand.
You didn't understand? Okay, no problem. I'll teach you once again. It's absolutely fine if you don't understand. Okay, I'll take a different method, okay? Can you just shift tab in everywhere in here? Can you just shift tab? Shift it to make just one list. Shift tab. Okay, let it be, let it be. I'll just show it on my screen. Okay, don't worry. You can just undo whatever you had done before, whatever you have done with these two, and yeah, that's it. Now let's stop sharing and I will show you on my screen. Good. Okay. Let me just show you. Maybe here. Okay. See, I want to enter Ishika, school, child, IGCSE. This is my list. Okay. Or maybe, yeah. What is your school's name?
Witty.
What's it? In
Witty.
VT. Okay. VT.
WITTY.
WITTY. Okay, no problem. Let's take.
WW.
Ah, sorry. Okay, fine. Witty. Okay, nice. Let's take a school's name which is SVPV. Let's take a school's name which is Royal. Okay. Let's take boards and let's take another board which is
ICS.
CBSE. Yeah, ICSE will do too. Or CBSE. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, and here I'll be like student. Now, Ishika, this is very unclear list. How is it unclear? Let me first add bullets to this. Any bullets. Okay? Let's go with the by default ones. Doesn't matter. So this is list is very unclear because I want to portray that student is Ishika, school is Witty, and there are other schools which she can be a part of. There is an option, okay?
Yeah.
SCPB Royal, okay? Then these three things should be a part of school, right? They should come under school. And in boards, CBSE, ICSE, and IGCSE should be a part of it, right? This list is very unclear. I'm not able to understand what it wants to signify. This list in which only one kind of bullets are used or in which everything is intended parallelly. Okay, everything is intended parallelly. They are parallel to each other. Am I right? Right? They are on the same level. Aren't they? They are on the same level. Now, in a way to understand this better, I can create different levels. How can we do that? What I'll do is go to Ishika, create a tab. Okay, go to Witty, tab, SVPV, tab, Royal, tab. In boards, I will tab IGCSE, ICSE, and CBSE. Now, can you understand what I wanted to say? The student is Ishika. She has three options of the school, and the boards are three. Now are you able to understand?
All these I understood. The thing I didn't understand was the name. Like, wait.
Hmm.
So, like, this is level 1, right?
Yes, this thing with the bullets of tick, they come under level 1. They
So,
are
this,
why are in level 1? Because they have the same weightage, they are parallel to each other, they resemble.
okay, so you mean that this all is level 1.
Yes, these three are in level 1. These
These are
are in
level 2.
2. Absolutely correct.
Got it.
Correct. And if I want to create some other level also, like in Witty, they are integrated to SVPV. Okay, so SVPV is vanished and Witty is SVPV is now under Witty. So what I'll do is tab again. Now this will come under level 3.
Okay.
Okay, and this thing which I have made is a multi-level listing. Okay, okay. Now you can screen share. Okay. Hmm. So you understood what will come in the first level for us in here?
This.
This. Create new styles, edit styles, set font style, size, emphasize, use format painter, use list. These are come under first list. And in the second list, headers, footers, body text, heading, subheading. Right? Yes. So this is clear now. And what they want us to do with this is, let me see, change the first level bullet list into a numbered list. We need to make it numbered list. Can you just select any first level list content, any first level content? We need to change it to a number list, numbered list.
Like,
Select, not like this, no?
like that.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Ha, just the first level. Very good. Now, in order to add numbers in Arabic format, you go in here. Can you see numbers 1, 2, 3?
Yes.
Yes. Where can you see the Arabic one? Yes. Can you select those? Yes. Now you can save this style if you want. You can save this style.
How did it move on the left?
We can settle it again. Don't worry. It will. It will. I know it will. It's fine. Don't worry so much. It's okay. We don't have to save. You have to do that with other ones as well, other first level as well. Can you do that? Yes. Or you can either save it as a style. Okay.
But
Yeah, it has started from now.
no need
It's
start.
okay. It's okay. It's okay. You see, click. Yeah. Right click in here. Right click in here. You have selected, right? You right click in here. Here. The selected content. Right click. No, not like this. Select. Right click. You have two options in numbering. You can select numbering. Yeah. I, uh, okay. There are two ways to solve this. First of all, you right click there, here, after selecting the data. After selecting the data, right click. Now, what you need to do is numbering. Uh, define new number format, set numbering value. Here. Try going here. You can start it from here. Here. Can you see my right?
No.
Here. Down. You go to numbering. You go
That is
here.
a stop share option. Where you continue.
Why do you want to stop there? Ah, okay. Go to numbering. Go to numbering. Here. Oh my god. Okay. No problem. Right click. Yes, very good. You're doing great. Click on numbering. The drop down. The drop down of the numbering. Okay.
Not, yeah.
Here. Okay, just do right click. Right click.
But it happened.
It should happen. Do right click again. Right click. Yeah. Go to numbering drop down. Can you see the drop down? Here. The drop down, drop down. Here. Yes, very good. Now go in here. Here. In the drop down, you go in here. Set numbering value.
Yeah.
Very good. Now you have to set value to,
Continue from previous.
yes, set value to 2. Correct. Now everything is sorted. It's fine now? Very good. Now do it for the sub list as well. For sub list, what we need to do is, and the second level into lettered list. Into lettered list. Where can you find letters? In the same thing. In the same thing. Here. Yes. Very good. So it is done. Now, how do we shift this ahead? The first level list,
Tab.
this one, through ruler, using rulers. Very good. We can tab also, but we can use rulers also now. It's okay, chalo. No problem, no problem. You can tab also. You can either use the ruler as well. Take ruler and shift it ahead, or just tab it once again. Tab it once again so that it is more than 3. We have to shift it to more than 3 now. If you
Not
remember,
this one.
the first one should be at least 3 centimeters.
And it is. See.
No, This part is not more than 3 centimeters. It's coming here between 2 and 3. Yes, yes. Do you understand? This part is coming now after 3. Earlier it was in here. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
Did you understand?
Yes.
Good. Now, this thing, can you select these? Can you select these? The subheading ones. Very good. Now, as you can see, it's more than 4. So it is absolutely fine. We don't need to change anything in this. Yeah? We wanted it at least 4. So this is absolutely correct. And now we have verified. Okay.
Yes.
Now we have to save this file as tar14e. Just a minute. Is it done?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Now let's go to task 14F. We have to open a document which is task 14C. Okay, 14C.
Yeah.
Now we have to add the contents of file advice.rts. Do we have a file named advice.rts?
Huh?
We have to open the file advice.rtf. Do we have such a file?
Advice.rtf.
Yes.
I will check just a second.
Yeah. You can open in here, na? Two words are open already. So you can open. Okay, fine. You can open through that as well. It's fine.
Yes.
Yes. Double click, open it. Yes. Maximize this. Good work. Now add the contents of the file at not the entire content or
No, one second.
the entire content they said. Oh, ladki. Uh, add the contents of file advice.rtf before the paragraph that starts. So, in order to select everything in this file, what do you do is Control A. What do you do? Control A. Do Control A.
1 second. This thing over.
Do Control A first.
A.
Yes. Now you do copy. Control C. You copy. Yes. Now where do we have to paste it? We have to paste this before the paragraph that starts temperatures. Where can we see temperatures, dear?
Yeah.
Here. Very good. Now we have to paste the content before this.
Do we like make it the body text of?
We'll come to that. We'll come to that. We'll have to make it that way only, just like the body text only. But there is some editing that they'll ask us to do. Don't worry. Now, okay, fine, good. Now,
You're in.
yes, I was not actually talking to you. Sorry, disturbance. Huh. Okay, so we have list in this document. Can we see the list? Where is the list? Where is the list?
Uh,
Here, what you actually did was, can you control Z or just undo the operation? Again, again. While you copied now, just go back to that file again, advice.rdf. Hmm. Undo in there again. Why did you change the size now? You didn't require to change the size. Huh. Again, yes. Copy it this way only. Do control A first, control A because the water is not completely selected, right? So do control A. Yes, control A, control C, control A, control C, and then go there. Now control V. It's absolutely fine. Let it be. Why are we keeping it this way? For now, we are keeping it this way, okay? We are not
and
merging
how
it
to
with
make it like the 14B body text?
where did they mention? They didn't ask to make it as 14B body text, not yet. We can make it, but when we did last time, when you did that, the list changed also. The list was not the same when you did that, okay? So I don't want that to happen for now. Okay? Okay. Now can we see the list? Where is the list? Here. Before winter approaches is the level 1. This also comes
But
under
still,
level
it's
1.
like flowing, so you can't make out the list. Like,
We can make
what
out
is level 1 and level?
with the help of the bullets we can see.
Yeah, this
Bullet,
this is level 2 and this is level 1.
yeah, yeah, absolutely. These are level 2. These are level 2. Okay? Now what do we have to do with the level 1s and the level 2s? With the level 1s, can you select any line with the level 1? List level 1. This one? Yes. Select it. We have to do some styling to this. What styling? We have to make it serif. What is serif? Times New
Fancy.
Roman? Yes. We have to make the font size 11. Yes. We have to make it left indented as 1 centimeter. We have to work that from here.
Should
One,
I
let's
this thing?
try, let's try because they're saying we have to indent it to the left of this 1 centimeter. Can you shift it to the 1 centimeter?
Yeah.
This one. Shift it to the 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter only, 1 centimeter only.
That, yeah, I did it.
Nothing happened. Shift it more maybe. Let me see if there is any change. Hello. Can this can this list not be on after the table? I want that to happen. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then we'd have to click like enter, enter.
No, let's not do that. Let's do one thing we can do is we don't want this. We don't want this list to change when we are converting it to our body text, right?
Yeah, so we'll remove
We'll
the
just do this.
around a
We'll
line.
do the work to this. We'll do this work to this. Go and select this paragraph and make it like the body text. Maybe the font will increase and the list will shift down. That is a maybe. I don't know. Yeah, it's a maybe. Didn't work. Okay. What have they shown? Let me see in the paragraph. They must have shown a paragraph now after as an output. Oh, so much. It's okay. We'll not enter. We'll enter. We'll do enter enter so that it's not beside the table. We'll do enter enter. Yes. No. Only that much enter such that only the list is on after the table. This can be beside the table. It's okay. This can be beside the table. We don't mind, na. We don't have to care about that. We just care about the list that it should be with respect to 1 centimeter, and for that we need it after the table. So can you just get it back beside it? Can you get it back beside it? Yes. But the list should be down. So you can come here and then enter. Come here, come here, come here. Not there, not there, not that. It will affect the list where you're clicking. Ha. Come here. Yes. And now enter. Yes. Good. We can change this as the body text, okay? We can change it to body text. It's fine. Yes, this one. Yes. Click, click. No. Body text. Yes, very good. Absolutely. And there is so much space in it which we can remove by clicking delete. Click on delete, not backspace. Huh? Wherever your cursor is, it's correct. The cursor was here, which was correct. Ah, okay, fine. It will do.
This
Okay,
also, yeah, I'll do.
let it be there. That's not harming us. So it's if you'll remove that before, we'll come there again. So let it be.
I'll say that. Yeah.
See, I told you. You go in there here. Okay, huh, it's fine. Now, we have to make this after 1 centimeter. Okay, how do we do that?
Uh,
Can we not shift this as well?
the arrow doesn't come there.
But do we need to shift that?
Yeah.
It doesn't show in this thing though. Alright, fine. Okay, it's fine. Let it be now. It's after 1, now it's exactly at 1 now. That's what we need. They have not given any specification, so we don't care about it. It's okay. Now the list type should be numbered. The list type should be numbered. Can you make it numbered?
Yes.
Please make it numbered.
The list type.
Yes. This list, the bullet, the dot one, have to make at 1. It should be starting with 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is correct. Which is correct. Absolutely. Now, can we do it with the other ones as well? It's not properly indented, are they? These are not properly indented. Can we have them?
Done.
Thank you.
Yeah, done.
Okay, you did not do it well. How? Because the first list was starting from here, and this one is, see, it's not proper.
Oh, see, they're in line.
What you can do is, see, what you can do is, how do you multi-select? I taught you, how do you multi-select?
Control.
Yes, first select this one, first select that. Yes. Now can you verify where it was? Yes. Now do control, keep pressing control and then select this part. Ha. Now you can do the changes and it will reflect on both the things. Yes, it should come after 1, no? It should come on the 1. It should come on 1, here. No, it's not 1. It's the left one.
It is after 1.
Not after 1. We need it to be 1 only. Acha, you come here, you come here. Can you see a small text which says left indent? Can you see?
No.
Okay. You go here. You move your cursor in here. Take your cursor there. Can you see something written? It's hanging indent. Can you come here? Can you take your cursor there? Yes.
It
It
went.
will say, no, take your cursor there. Don't move, don't drag. Just take your cursor there. Something will be written. See, in here it's written hanging indent. In here, what is written? Let me see. First line indent. Now, we want it to be the indent. Can you select this part, this line? Hmm. Yes. That's it. That's it. That's it. Now your indent, that is left indent, should be on the 1. You understand? Your left indent should be on the 1. This one, dear, this one, the left one. Yes. Yeah. So you shift this one as well, no? You shift it somewhere after this. But the first one should come on the 1. Okay. Listen. You shift the right one in such a way that the left one is on the first. Okay? You shift the right one in such a way that the left one comes to 1. You understand? You shift the right indent in such a way that the left one comes to the number 1. And now you can control and select all the 3 together. Now, why are you doing it twice or thrice? And this is
I don't know.
undo all your operations on this. Huh. Let it. No, okay, fine. Aziz, huh. This is what we require, no? We have to make this what? These three are selected. We have to make, it's already selected, no? Let it be selected. Oh. Select those three first. Select those three. What we want to. Yes. Select. Good. Now, what we have to do to this? Make it serif. Make it Times New Roman first. First. Yes. Make sure it's Times New Roman. Now it's Times New Roman. Is it font size 11? Make it 11. Yes. Very good. Now we have to work on the alignment. Now what we do is shift the right one in such a way, this one, shift this one such a way that this one comes to 1. Okay, so shift it to right here. Yes, this has not come. You have to shift it here on the one. It should come only on the one, on the one, on the one. Very good. On the one, yes. You can shift it here. You can shift it a bit left, the right one. Yes, absolutely correct. That's it, that's it, that's it. You don't need to do it more, right? It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Okay, now the list should be numbered. That's what we did. Line spacing. How do we do the line spacing? Do you remember? We did the line spacing before.
Yes.
Yes. Can you do the line spacing to be single? Yes. And spacing before and after should be 0. But after it was 7.5, you have to change it again. And you have to multi-select dear. Don't just select the first time. Yes. Select even the water. Why are you not including the water? Has it done any bad thing, huh?
What did just happen?
What just happened? It just got zoom out. It's fine. It's fine. I'll tell you what happened. You just increase this. You increase this. You increase this. Do go plus. Go plus plus plus. I said increase it. Yes. Yes.
I think this became bigger.
No, it didn't get bigger. Got bigger? What got bigger?
Yes.
No, it didn't get bigger. It's fine. It's fine. Everything will get bigger with respect to the page size. No, if you are going to print something on the banner,
Again, when I'm scrolling down, it is becoming like this.
no, I want it. Don't worry. It's fine. Now what we have to do is change the line spacing. How did we change the line spacing? Go to the line spacing section where how did we change? Not the border. Why are you requiring border? Why are you going to borders? Undo this. It's for the borders now. How did we change the line spacing? Very good. Now we go to after. After, after should be 0. After should be 0 and before should also be 0. Right? Make it 0. Very good. Now you do okay. Now you do okay. Very good. That's what we required, no? Yeah. So it's done. Now we have to do this some things with the list level 2 as well.
What? Yeah.
Let's first save this style. Let's first save this style. How do we save this? It is already selected. Now can you please save it? How do we save it? Show me. Very good. Ha, good. We save it as list style 1. List level 1. Good. Now can we do some changes to list level 2 as well?
Yeah.
No? Why no?
Yeah.
Ha. Please do. What changes do we have to do? Make it serif, make it 11 point, make it left indented but 2 centimeters. And the bulleted list should be with arrow, not with not with the dots or the round ones. Okay. Yes, select the adequate one as well. Oh no, no. Hmm. It's okay, you can reselect. You can reselect. Yes, good. Now what do we have to do? Make it serif, font size 11. It will do, it will do, it will do. It's on the 2 now. We require it to be on the 2. It was right earlier. We want it on the 2. Correct. Shift the right one a bit. This one. A bit. That's. No. No, no, no. Earlier it was fine the way you did it. You shift it again.
Okay.
No, it should be on 2 now. It should be starting
On
from 2.
2.
No,
Okay.
it's not on 2 now, dear. Yeah. And there should be some space thing.
Okay.
Not okay.
Why?
Not okay because there is no space only in between.
I don't understand.
Can you see this black one? Can you
Yes.
can you shift it to the right, please?
To the
It's the,
right.
yes.
Did it?
Can you shift it more? What's happening with it? Let me see. Nothing's happening.
Nothing's happening.
Let me see. Can you shift this one to the right now? Ah, now it's shifting. Good. Yeah, now it's appropriate. It was appropriate. It was on the 2. Okay. Fine, 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 fine. Leave it, leave it.
No, but now this came little here. First it was right.
It's okay. It's okay. Why is it happening, this. Appropriate now.
Uh, done.
Done. Okay. You saved it as well, right? Okay.
Save
Now
it.
you have to save it. You have to save it. List level 2. Great work, finally. And now we save this as 14F. And now all the tasks are done. You have a different class and like your class was to start at 5 now? A different one? Hello?
Yes.
Your another ICT theory class was to start from 5, no?
No, it was from 3 to 4, but then I had the doctor's appointment, so sir shifted it to 8 p.m.
I think it's shifted to 8, no? Okay, fine. So I'm gonna take it till 5:30 and complete this. So it's done for us. And what else we need to do is upload files on Classroom, right? Okay. You save it. Yes. Good work. All the tasks are done. Do you have doubt in any of the tasks?
Yeah, that we were doing that C1 now, and the option we were not getting to save the style, the modifying option,
We understood, now we updated basically. We clicked on updating.
but it was not happening. Like if this was selected, then when we selected this, that was also supposed to get modified, but it didn't happen.
That is very true. but that is the only way actually you have to, modify it or update it. So it is also dependent on your version of Microsoft, as much as I know. And if there will be something or I'll find a hack towards it, then I'll let you know. Okay? So now we are done, right? For the actually, it should have changed when we clicked on update, but it did not. Okay, no problem. We cannot do that. Do anything to it now. Okay, because it's happening in my device though. I tried it on my device. We saved it, no? We
Yeah.
saved it, na? Huh, okay. It's happening on my device, by the way. But,
Then must be the version.
yeah. Actually, when I clicked on update now, all the subheading was changed with that updated one when I did that in my device. Okay, can we go to Google Classroom now?
Just so it's loading.
No problem. You can just search Google Classroom and it will open as well. Or you can,
Yeah,
how,
that's
fine.
better.
Fine.
Yeah, here's.
You click on chapter
It's
13.
so
On
strange.
chapter
Like
14.
the 14 one is to be submitted on Thursday and 13 chapter on Saturday.
It's very weird of your school, na? It should have been submitted later, but it's fine, okay. Let's click on activities of chapter 14. Dear, it's saying activities and not tasks.
Yeah, but I asked the ma'am. She told that you had to do task for 13 and 14, and then 15 one when we'll start for that you can do activities.
Okay, so it's properly task only, right? Not activities. You're
Yeah,
100%
yeah,
sure of it.
because activity she told we did in the class, and for the 15 chapter the task we are going to do in the class like she show, and activity will be the home.
Okay, so she has not started chapter 15 yet.
So
Okay, so let's go to click on activities of chapter 14.
13 or 14.
14. Because it's earlier, na, we have to submit it earlier. I'll just show you of chapter 14, then you can do it with the chapter 13, right? Hmm. Now we have to upload the files. Can you click on add or create? Add or create. Yes. What do we do? We have files, but we have files already in our local machine. So we click in there. Double click. Yes. Now we upload. So what do? We
Yeah.
browse. We know how to browse, right? Hmm. We go chapter 14. And what do? We control it. We simply control it. Can we control it in there? Yes. So all the files have come. Can we click on open? Can we click on open? Yes. Now they are loading. They are loading.
Okay.
Yes. They are loading. Okay. Don't click anywhere else now until they have loaded. Now they have loaded. Can you scroll down? Can you scroll down to the right? Yes. Now,
ABCD.
yes. If you want, you can verify if the files are correct or not. How do we verify? You'll double click on any of the file. See, it has come blue. It has become blue, right? So you click. What does blue means? It means that you can go somewhere now. It is ready to go somewhere. Okay, since the file is huge or Google does not provide some files to view, so it's okay. You can view it through Google Docs. Can you view it through Google Docs? You can click in here. Yes, double click. Just like we have Microsoft Words, we also got Google
Oh,
Docs.
ma'am, if you can see the header has changed.
It's okay, it's okay. It's been shown on Google Docs only, but we have uploaded it in the Word file.
No, like the header is changed.
But that's we are seeing it in Google Doc, but in Microsoft Word it's fine, and your teacher is going to refer Microsoft Word only.
Okay.
So don't worry about. Has your teacher told you to upload it as a PDF format?
No, she
No,
didn't
na.
do anything.
Anything as such. She didn't ask to uh, change it to like convert it to PDF and then upload.
No,
Nothing
she
like
told
that.
a word only.
Word only, now so let it be. Okay, fine. We just wanted to verify if the file is correct or not. Matlab, it's the correct file that we are uploading. So it's okay. You can just cross it out and we now know. Now you can go back and we now know that these files are the correct files that we really wanted to upload. So we can just verify in here. We verified and then we can click on turn in. Now your teacher will be notified that all these files are submitted by Ishika. You click on turn in. Yes, and now it's submitted. Whenever, if you feel that there is a problem and you need to make some changes, then you can also click on unsubmit and it will come back to you from their server. Okay, but you don't need to do it now. Can
But
you
so like it if it has reached to them, then it will automatically like
come
disappear.
back? Come back. Yes, it's just like you do undo.
Okay.
Okay, but in this case, they will be notified that you had submitted it once before. Okay,
Okay.
now you go to where you go to class to chapter 13. You can directly check it here. Wait, I'll tell you. Where can you check it here? In here. You can go in here. Yes. And you can double click in this. Double click on this. Or click on to do. Click on to do. Okay. Click active 13. Yes. How do you do now? Show me. How did we do that? Yes. Very good. Browse. 13. Do we need to upload all the files in here? All, no? Yes. Okay. Open. And yes, it's loading. So let it load. Yes. It will take a few moments. And yes.
Why are these coming like drive?
Hana, it's very true that they are coming like that. We'll verify it, don't worry. We'll verify. After we submit now we'll verify if it's the correct one or not. Don't worry. It's fine now. Now it's uploaded. Let me scroll it to above. But at least it's showing Word, so I'm not sure. Maybe it's showing Drive, because for that preview is available. Can you double click in here or click any of these? So they'll show preview. No preview? Then why are they showing? Okay. And for the rest of the files where Drive cannot be seen, can we preview those? Not preview that, those also. Very weird. We'll check them out, okay? Don't worry. Actually, can you open any of the files? Let's open one of the file. Let's open one of the file. Not annotate and open a file. Can you click in here? Click here.
Where?
Here. Three dots. Uh, details. No. Okay. How will your teacher download it? She must have asked you to upload it in a PDF format. How
Oh,
are other students uploading it?
I don't know.
You don't know? Can you please just verify with your teacher if you have to upload it in PDF format or not? Because
No, that she told no because she has to check it also. Now the steps, the like the font and also that has to be in Word.
okay, but then tell her that in Google Docs, if you open this, the format is changing. So just make sure of that. Okay, just inform her this thing. that if you open this on Google Docs, the formatting changes.
Okay.
Okay, just inform this to her. That's it. Just keep it informed. And if she'll then ask you to submit it in a PDF format or anything, any changes, you can always contact me. You can tell Heyman sir that you require a class or you need a 15-minute session to get the doubts cleared. Okay?
Okay.
So don't worry about that. So yeah, that's it then. That's
Okay.
all we require. You can just go back. We cannot control what's happening in here because your teacher told to submit in the Word file only. Now you can submit this, but that's how you upload files. It's .rtf only. Yes, it's absolutely correct. It's .rtf.
Yeah, now all of it became like the others only. The
Hmm.
drive thing is gone.
Hmm. Okay, this is fine. If there are 2 points, either she'll ask you to submit in PDF format, okay, or she'll have problem with the Google Docs because it might open in Docs. Okay,
Yeah.
what is it? Google Docs. Okay, so these are two terminologies that she might use, and if you'll have any doubt regards to that, you can contact me. Okay, all right.
Yes.
Any doubt? Any issue?
No.
All right. So should we just end the class then?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Bye. Have a good day. Take care.
Same to you.
Yeah.